Hi guys, sharing another trade. Balik kagabi ko lang to inopen tong position and then pagising ko ng umaga na hit na yung TP natin or yung take profit. This trade is Ethereum, ETH USDT. By the way, why did I start sharing this kind of video? Bakit ako nagpapakita ng mga trading video ngayon? Well, I just want to share and spread the words that crypto is a great opportunity and could give you another source of income. Kasi nga marami ng online sugal ngayon, scatter. So instead doing scatter, I think much better na mag-trade na lang kayo. But I'm not saying na you can earn a lot of money right away dito sa crypto because like scatter or any online gambling, itong crypto pwede ka rin ditong matalo at pwede ka ring mabankrupt. Pero alam mo yon, the beauty of crypto trading or any form of trading like stocks or forex trading is that it will not be a gambling anymore kapag alam mo na yung ginagawa mo. Because unlike with gambling na hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung lalabas, ano yung mananalo, dito sa trading, meron tayong technical analysis, meron tayong fundamental analysis na pwede mong gamitin para maging calculated risk yung trade mo. But then again, it will not be easy kasi kung napakadali lang kumita dito sa crypto, di sana marami na nitong gumagawa, di ba? You needed years of experience, a lot of discipline, and non-stop learnings para lang maging profitable dito sa crypto trading. Anyway, balik tayo dito sa trade na 'to, medyo nalayo na tayo. So, ang trade na 'to ay kagabi ko inopen and successful na hit yung TP natin. So, ayun nga naka-gain tayo ng 143.88%. Bale disclaimer lang guys, hindi naman laging panalo, may talo din ako and not all the time good trade tayo. Meron ding against sa atin yung nagiging takbo ng market, but as long as you manage your emotion, you stay disciplined, and you manage your risk, so survive ka dito sa crypto trading.